In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TurboTax and start over. If you need to erase your current tax return and begin again from scratch, this process can help you do that quickly and cleanly. Before you continue, just keep in mind that clearing your return removes the tax information you've already entered, so it's a good idea to make sure you really want a fresh start before moving forward. To begin, log into your TurboTax account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you've used more than one account in the past. Once you're signed in, open the tax return that you want to reset. This is important because the reset action only applies to the specific return you currently have open. After your return loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section called Switch Products, then expand it. This area contains additional account and return options that aren't always visible right away. So, take a moment to make sure it's fully opened. Next, click Clear and Start Over. This is the option that lets you wipe the current tax return and begin again with a blank return. After selecting it, TurboTax will show you information explaining exactly what happens when your tax data is cleared. Read this screen carefully so you understand the impact of the reset and know what information will be removed. If you're sure you want to continue, click I want to clear my tax data. At that point, TurboTax will begin removing your current tax information. Give it a moment to process. Depending on your connection and the system response time, this may take a few seconds. Once the reset is complete, you may be prompted to select a tax product. If that screen appears, simply choose the product that fits your situation, so you can continue. After that, you'll be ready to begin entering your tax information again from the beginning. As you re-enter everything, it can be helpful to have your tax documents nearby so the process goes more smoothly. Starting over can actually be useful if your return became confusing or if you want to correct things by rebuilding it step by step. That's all there is to it. You've now reset your TurboTax return and started fresh. Thanks for watching.